In a shocking display of disregard for marine life, a man's reckless behavior has sparked outrage and condemnation. In February of this year, off the coast of Auckland, New Zealand, a disturbing scene unfolded. An unidentified individual attempted to body slam an orca, one of the ocean's most majestic creatures.
Touched it! Oh my god, it's behind you! I just got behind you!
He's up!
Woo! Did you get that?
He's there!
Yes, we got it! We got it!
Come here!
There's one there!
What the man failed to realize was that he was not only endangering himself, but also the orca and its calf. Despite the potential danger, he proceeded with his reckless act. The consequences were swift. The man, aged 50, faced legal repercussions for violating the Marine Mammals Protection Act. But the damage had been done. His actions not only endangered the orca, but also demonstrated a shocking lack of respect for wildlife. Orca, classified as whales under conservation legislation, deserve our utmost protection and respect. It is illegal to swim with or disturb marine mammals, a law put in place to safeguard these magnificent creatures. Let this serve as a reminder that our interactions with wildlife must be guided by responsibility and respect. Together, let's strive to protect our oceans and the creatures that call them home.